Nothing is going to hold you down these days like a protective style, especially these 3-day long popcorn Love Island relationships. Oh, but me and my protective styles, oh baby, we got a thing going on. A good protective style is gonna protect and provide you with hair growth. Yeah, I'm in love, and you best believe I'ma stick beside it. Hey, curl friends, and welcome back to Coconuts, home of the Long Hair Society. Now, it's hot and humid outside, and my hair is looking like a bag of cotton balls. I needed a protective style that's gonna hold me down, and I had to get my hands on Exyhair. These hair extensions are human hair extensions made for braiding and twisting. Today I'm using 18-inch Marley twist braiding hair, and I'm going to do a protective style that's going to give me a couple of weeks of freedom. Now y'all know I don't fool with synthetic hair no more or none of that canankalon mess. So I definitely was on the search for human hair so I can go ahead and twist my hair up. These extensions are so soft, and look at the kink. When I used to do this same hairstyle using synthetic hair, the hair extensions used to be so rough on my hair. But these human hair extensions are so soft and they won't cut through my natural hair. These kinky textures are perfect for twists, braids, cornrows, or even faux locks. Human hair Afro kinky hair extensions are a lot more affordable than you think, so you don't have to feel like you only have the option of synthetic hair. I used to do the same hairstyle with synthetic hair, and I hated how stiff the weave would be. Ugh. But with these human hair extensions, they're going to be blowing in the wind. I can moisturize my hair with them in. I can shampoo them. I can even color these hair extensions to whatever color I want. I know this is called virgin hair, but don't be afraid to use her up. You can remove these out your hair, shampoo them, and put them right back in. It's the longevity for me. The hair does come pre-sectioned, so all you have to do is grab a section and unravel the tips. What I used to hate back in the days with them synthetic hair is that the tips would be so hard to unravel that I used to just cut them. But with these, it's so simple and soft. Not only does it feel really natural, it looks very natural. I like to use a natural butter on each section of my hair just to make sure that every strand is coated and sealed and protected before I add any hair extensions. Remember, this is a protective style, so I'm definitely trying to get some growth out of it. Doesn't matter if I'm going to leave these hair extensions in for 1 week or 1 month. After my hair is nice and buttered up and coated from root to tip, now I can take my hair extensions and begin to add it. I like to start off with a braid first for security, and then I turn it into a twist. This twist style is very easy for me to do, and it doesn't take long for me to do. I chose a size that my hair can appreciate and my hands can appreciate. When you live a busy lifestyle like me, using protective styles is a no-brainer. It gives you a lot more time to just get things done without fussing over doing your hair on a daily basis. You only need about 5 minutes in the morning to spray, moisturize, and oil your hair, and you can be out the door. When installing your braids or your twists, make sure it ain't too tight, because if it's too tight, you're going to be losing hair strands. I don't know about you, but I cannot afford to lose my edges. Been there, done that, and I ain't going back. I know we assume that when we get our hair done that it's normal for it to feel tight and it to hurt, but that ain't normal. Definitely never do your hair too tight, or if someone is installing these for you, ask them to be a little bit more light-handed. I would say my hair is pretty long, so I did have to add hair extensions halfway through to lengthen this look. But if you have hair that is about shoulder length, I feel like 18-inch will be a good length for you. When it came to my parts, I kept them medium large because my hair likes bigger parts. My hair does not like those tiny small twists and tiny small braids, and it's going to be a lot easier for me to uninstall these because my parts are bigger. This is my last section, and it took me about an hour and a half to do my entire head. So a win is a win. You mean to tell me that I only need to sit down for less than 2 hours, do my entire head, and I can get a week to 2 weeks of pretty much freedom from my hair? Yeah, sign me up every single time. I love protective styles, and my hair does too. Using protective styles throughout my long hair journey has helped me significantly. I was able to retain so much length by using water, using natural oils, and avoiding a comb, coupling it with protective styles. I'm so glad that the game has changed and there are so many options out there for human hair, because I was sick of using those synthetic hair, especially with all those alarming health facts. No. And guess what? We're all done. And tell me this ain't cute. I mean, this is so me. When it comes to hairstyles that I love, these twists are going to do it every single time. I feel like it's so flattering. It's so convenient. It's so versatile. I'm able to try so many different hairstyles with this one particular protective style. It's so lightweight. There's something about human hair extensions that are not as heavy as synthetic hair extensions, and I love that. Because I did my twist very loose, I'm able to put it up immediately, and it's so hot outside, so I will be taking advantage of these high buns almost every single day. I feel like this is so flattering on my face. I feel like it's so cute. It's easy for me to take care of on a daily basis. I have so much variation and versatility that I will never get bored with styling my hair. Because of the texture, I don't have to worry about burning my ends, dipping it in hot water, or anything like that. I literally just twist to the end and the ends look so natural. You can rest assured that you can add water to this by spraying and moisturizing your hair on a daily basis. You can add natural oils and butters to this because this is human hair and it will respond well to any type of styling product. Unlike synthetic hair, it's not stiff, it blows in the wind, it's very lightweight, it swings side to side. I love it here. If you're ready to take your twists and your braids to the next level, head to Exyhair.com, use my coupon code COCA10 and save $10 off your purchase of $100 or more. Let me tell you, I've had these installed for 2 days, and while running my errands, I have been getting compliments left and right on my hair. You literally cannot tell I have extensions in my hair. It looks so real, so natural. Times have changed, baby girl. You no longer have to use that plastic in your hair to do your favorite twist or braid styles. You have human hair out here and you got options. When you head to Exyhair.com, you'll see that there are so many different hair textures to choose from, so you can be rocking and slaying just like I am. Make sure you head to those comments and blow me a kiss and tell me which style is your favorite. Mine is the updo.